Welcome to the second to last day of the free 30-day AI Academy Challenge. It's crazy for me to even say that. I'll save all the sappy stuff for tomorrow, but we've been through a lot in this 3 days. Moved apartments, took some time off, had some bigger projects come up, but we are 2 days away, and we're doing our final capstone today, where we're shipping it and sharing it, which is super exciting. I mean, if you're here watching this in any capacity, thank you for joining me these past 29 days, and I'm excited to, this will be a quicker lesson today. We're just kind of dotting some I's, crossing some T's, and then you finish the worksheet today, and you'll have your reward tomorrow. So let's hop into day 29. We'll fly through these. Subscribe and follow. You guys know the deal. Share the course, 40% affiliate commission. This course will always be free. Monthly giveaways. You can win those Apple products. And bonus tip, watch this on 2x speed. I just want to reach as many people as possible, so make sure you share your experiences. I've seen some stuff on social media, which has just been amazing. I'm excited to keep doing this. Agenda, we're going to finish your build, ship it for real, share it, and then we're going to complete your portfolio so that tomorrow, when you watch the video, or if you double up 2 in a day, whatever you want to do, you're ready to complete your portfolio, get your reward, keep engaging in the community, maybe watch another free course. I'll talk more about the reward tomorrow, which should be pretty cool. So, finishing your build. So back to day 24, we talked about the project where you picked your lane. Then we built, I gave you the outline to build your own personal content system, and your own AI assistants. We want to get those done, get them finished. They don't have to be perfect. Use everything at your disposal. Your OS, your engine, your assistant from days 16 to 26 to finish that day 24 project. That is what is your day 2 goal. Should have been something that could have been solved on day 24 with this project. So we want to get that done. Again, very broad because I don't know what yours is, but we want to get it done. Cut the extras, ship the core, save the extra ideas for later once you're done with the course tomorrow. And then this is piece number 4, your capstone. This is your final portfolio project. So we're going to ship it for real. I don't care as much about the states. It's more about the effort and the learning experience. So make it live, publish posts, or send it to a real person. I suggest you put it in the community. Real beats perfect. Ship teaches more than polished ever will. It depends on what your goal is, but if it's appropriate for the community, post in there. It's like, hey, I've been working on this for X amount of time. This was my day 2 goal. I built the day 25 and 26 with the AI assistant, the content stuff. I've done all the worksheets. This is what I set out to build. This is where I'm at. Any feedback? I'm sure you will get such good feedback from people in the community because they've probably done the exact same thing. Put it in the world. Put it in front of a real audience or user. Again, I suggest the community for this because we all have that shared goal. Note what happens, note the reaction, results, and feedback. You built this 29 days ago. You couldn't have done this. I want you to remember that. Regardless of what the build is, how simple you think it is, this stuff compounds, and this is only a stepping stone. Share it. As uncomfortable as it is, you should share it. Tell the story. What you set out to do and what you shipped. I've seen someone on social media where they're like, I'm going to do the 30-day AI Academy Challenge, and I'm going to make a video every single day of me like learning and then like starting to build like a much bigger project. I'm like, that's so cool. I'll have to find that and link it in the community. But show the before and after from your day 1. This is why the worksheets were so important. Show your day 1 versus where you're at today. And just reflect for a second on where you were at 29 days ago. Did you know everything we covered? If we did, if you did, I warned you, this is an elementary course. We have more advanced stuff. If you didn't, look at all the progress you've made. And even if you didn't know everything, you probably still learned a thing or two. I guarantee it. Post it publicly. Your win. Say it out loud. Post it on LinkedIn. Post it somewhere, please. Tag the community. Tag me on Instagram. Tag people in school. I want to see it. I want to see every single one. I want to reply to them. I want to help. Own the moment. You finish what most people quit. Guarantee most people quit in the first week. They're like, this is boring, this is basic, where's he going with this? If you've made it this far, you deserve the reward that's happening tomorrow, and you deserve the reward of knowing AI better and increasing your AI education, because that is going to pay you tenfold, maybe not financially, maybe just in dollars or whatever it may be, over the next decade. I guarantee it. Complete your portfolio. So add piece 4, drop it into your day 28 portfolio page that we talked about yesterday. This is the last missing piece of the puzzle along with the worksheet today. All 4 together, we have your workflow, your personal AI OS, your automation, and your project. Congratulations. Check your worksheet. Again, if you haven't finished the build, pause this video, come back, go finish it to a place where you're happy with it. Check your worksheets. All 29 are saved and ready to submit, including today's. Share it in the wins. Post your finished portfolio, all 4 pieces. Put a Google Drive link in there. We'll check all of them to make sure they're safe before they're posted. Say, hey guys, I started this 29 days ago. This is my goal. This is what I built. That would be just so cool to see people doing that. Fill out your worksheet, foundry.com/day29. And you guys know the deal. Post that in accountability. We're going to go do that final worksheet together. I don't think there's one tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure though. This course is just taking a very long time to make all the slides, prep for it, prep all the materials. Foundry.com/day29. Ship it and share it. This is your final worksheet. So we're going to start by you listing the project from day 24 and then highlighting that it's done. Ship it, where it went live, hopefully that personal website. And then one reaction from someone in the community or yourself or a family member or a friend or somebody. Share it, post on the before and after, and link it to the share. Again, like I think just showing your friends like the cool stuff you've made. I don't know. I think it's helpful, especially in like the job market of like, oh, they can be entrepreneurial. They know how to get outside their comfort zone, because this might be outside someone's comfort zone to post on their story or to even do a course like this where they don't know everything. And I still don't know everything. That's the whole point. Complete your portfolio. Add piece number 4. All 4 pieces with your builds are not together. If you have the personal AIOS and the social media as well with this build, throw those in there as well. Bonus points. I might give a bonus in the reward tomorrow for people to do that. All 29 worksheets saved. Put it in a project. Put it in a folder so we're ready for tomorrow. Post your ship in the wins. Post that same folder in wins. Write a paragraph, talk about your journey in this course, talk about what I could have done better, talk about what you want to see from the community. That's what this is all about. And tomorrow you claim your reward. Man, wow, this is exciting. Going through the summary, finish it, ship it. Shipped beats perfect. Trust me, I've shipped so many things that I'm like, this could be 10 times better, and then it's far good enough. Portfolio piece number 4 is shipped. Tomorrow we're going to claim your reward. Let's go. As always, if you want to go faster, please join the cohort. Love to see you there. If you're ready to build and scale, Academy Plus. And if you enjoyed the course, post a testimony in the wins category. Let's get to work. Quick section today. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 30 of 30. Get out of here.